Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic for all expecting parents: creating a baby-friendly nursery. Designing a safe and cozy space for your little one is an essential part of preparing for their arrival. In this video, I'll share valuable tips and ideas to help you create a nurturing environment that promotes safety, comfort, and peace of mind. Creating a baby-friendly nursery is an exciting and essential task for expecting parents. A safe and comfortable nursery environment promotes your baby's well-being and provides a calming space for rest and play. Here are some tips to help you create a baby-friendly nursery. 1. Choose safe furniture. Select furniture that meets safety standards and has rounded edges to minimize the risk of injury. Anchor furniture like dressers and bookcases to the wall to prevent tipping. 2. Ensure proper crib safety. Use a crib that meets current safety guidelines, with slats no more than 2-3 inches apart to prevent head entrapment. Avoid using crib bumpers, pillows, or loose bedding to reduce the risk of suffocation. 3. Optimize room temperature. Keep the nursery comfortably cool, around 68-72 degrees Fahrenheit or 20-22 degrees Celsius, to promote safe sleep. Use a room thermometer to monitor temperature and dress your baby in appropriate clothing for sleep. 4. Use non-toxic paint and materials. Choose non-toxic paint and materials for furniture, flooring, and decor to minimize exposure to harmful chemicals. Ensure good ventilation when painting or using new furniture. 5. Install safety features. Install outlet covers, window guards, and door latches to baby-proof the nursery. Keep cords from blinds or curtains out of reach to prevent strangulation. 6. Keep essentials within reach. Organize baby essentials like diapers, wipes, and clothing in easily accessible storage bins or shelves. Place frequently used items within arm's reach of the changing table. 7. Create a calming ambience. Use soft, soothing colors and dimmable lighting to create a peaceful ambience in the nursery. Consider adding a white noise machine or soft music player to help your baby relax. 8. Designate a nursing, feeding area. Set up a comfortable nursing or feeding area with a rocking chair or glider and a side table for essentials like water and burp cloths. Ensure good back support for extended feeding sessions. 9. Minimize clutter and decor hazards. Avoid overcrowding the nursery with unnecessary decor items or toys that could pose choking hazards. Keep small objects, cords, and breakable items out of reach. 10. Regularly inspect and maintain. Routinely inspect the nursery for safety hazards and perform maintenance on furniture and equipment. Check for loose screws, damaged cords. Creating a baby-friendly nursery is a rewarding experience that helps prepare your home for your new arrival. By prioritizing safety and comfort, you can create a nurturing environment where your baby can thrive and grow. Trust your instincts as a parent and seek advice from experts or experienced caregivers if you have any concerns about nursery safety. Enjoy decorating and preparing your baby's first special space. Thank you for joining me in this journey of creating a baby-friendly nursery. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring as you prepare for your new arrival. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more parenting advice and inspiration. Remember, your baby's nursery is a special place where memories are made. Enjoy the process of creating a space filled with love and warmth. See you next time.